Alright, now in this lesson we are gonna see how we can plot a plot in 3-dimensional. Actually that is known as a 3D plot. So how we can do a 3D plot using Plotly and Cufflink. Let's go ahead and call here df.iplot, and in this I'm gonna say that here kind of this plot is surface plot. So we have here surface plot, and let's go ahead and run this and see how this data which we have now is plotted. Now you see here this is a 3D plot. The data frame which we have currently, the df, which have total 100 values. You see here this is the x-axis which have 100 values, and other two values are distributed here, other two which you can say the ABC, how it is distributed along these three axes. You can show it, you can see it here. All right, perfect. Now if you want to change its color, you can also change. This is by default color which have it. You can also zoom in and zoom out it, and you can drag and drop it. And if you want to reset it, then you can also reset its axis here. Let me show you from where you can reset. Yes, from here you can reset it. You can also reset to last save this camera, and with this you can reset to default. Now let's say if you want to change its color, you can also pass here color scale. In a color scale I'm gonna pass here RDYLBU. So with this there is another color scale which you can see it. Alright, so this is how you can plot a 3D plot in your Plotly by using Cufflinks and of course on the pandas data frame. Alright, now let's go ahead and see the another type of 3D plot, which is very famous plot with the CF. This is the Cufflink data gen, and then here we have a sine wave, and in this I'm going to pass here 10 and 0.25. If you see here, this says that how many numbers and what is the increment. And then finally I'm going to say here iplot, and kind is equal to surface. Okay, now you see here this is really very good and a very fantastic plot. Okay, this is very famous plot. Okay, most of the people try to plot this during their 3D plotting lesson. All right, so this is how you can do 3D plotting in your Plotly on and you can apply this Plotly and Cufflinks on a pandas data frame directly, and really you can see a very nice looking plot. Alright, so thanks for watching this lesson. I'll see you in next lesson.